Hi, I'm Weather Analyst Andrew Fleck, just for your Wednesday's afternoon map outlook. And what was formerly known as Hurricane Ida, then Tropical Storm Ida, is now affecting parts of the southeastern coast and actually even parts of the mid-Atlantic now, something that was very closely monitored over the past days to see if it would start leaking into the mid-Atlantic, and that's just what it's doing. This system is really pulling down a lot. It's really releasing a lot of fury, a lot of winds, a lot of heavy rain, and definitely beach erosion. And we're just going to look at the current map outlook and see what's totally going on right now. So let's first go to the main outlook here. We know what's going on down here with Ida. We know that, or you could call it now just an extratropical low, but I would continue to call it Ida because I believe it's still a remnant of Ida. But what we do see down here, though, is the progressively heavy rain to watch and monitor. There is one low in here, and there is another low off the coast here. And what you're seeing is in the middle here is just this area right here is just getting demolished with a lot of rain and a lot of wind. We've seen and again projected rain amounts of 5 inches to 6 inches of rain still projected in that area over tonight into tomorrow, and winds currently some gusts up to 30, 40, 50, at times unbelievably 60 mile per hour. So we do expect a lot of winds yet and a lot of heavy rain to begin and continue. Then as we go into the western part of the United States, you can just see we still have that northern jet leaks down just over the northern half or the northwestern half of the United States. And what happens is you do get into some moisture and cold enough to support some snow in the mountains, rain in the lower elevations and valleys. So let's get a closer look at this extratropical storm, and this is pretty impressive stuff. Again, just a lot of reports of 50 mile per hour gusts, 40 mile per hour gusts, a lot of rain across the North Carolina coast, South Carolina coast. That's going to continue. Like I said, there was one low pressure centered here, another one off the coast of South Carolina. And the very interesting thing, though, is the Hydro Prediction Center just came out and actually updated the rainfall amounts of where they would be falling in the next day or two. And I was surprised enough to put up the map and look at what it was projecting. And we knew that this storm was going to affect this portion of the area, but I did not expect it to start to move into Pennsylvania, part of the central Mid-Atlantic states, and southern Mid-Atlantic states. And that's something that's really catching my eye right now. I think that needs to be monitored very well, and we will monitor that at Analysis WX here, so be sure to tune in. But as of right now, the way it's looking, we have two low pressures, not real dominant low pressures, just pressures that are forcing a lot of rain. Two of them together with a squeezing high pressure north, causing some strong winds, a lot of beach erosion, rough surf, and then putting in the heavy rain and winds into the equation. You get a pretty rough day across the southeast and southern mid-Atlantic. So that is the follow-up for Wednesday's afternoon map outlook. I will be doing another one this evening just to see where we're at and where the models are at. So have a nice Wednesday afternoon. I'll talk to you guys tonight.